How to buy storage for your iPhone. It's pretty quick and easy, so before starting the video, subscribe a YouTube channel, hit the bell icon so you can receive the notification of next video. Do like, comment and share as well. Without wasting the time, let's jump in your settings. If you want to buy a new storage for your iPhone, you can do this. Just go to your settings and then hit your profile icon and then proceed to that iCloud option. Now you have to click on manage storage if you want to buy storage for your iPhone. Just click on the manage storage. It will take time. Just wait until this page appear. And now you have to click on change storage plan. Just wait until the second page open. And here you can see this type of page. In this you can see you can buy the new storage for your iPhone, 5 GB for 100 rupees a month and 200 GB for 300 a month and 2 TB for 1000 a month. And this way you can buy storage for your iPhone very easily. Just select a random package and then proceed. If you have a payment method attached to your iCloud account, you can easily buy storage. Hope it helps. If you have any question, let me know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye and thanks for watching.